Artificial sweeteners are everywhere. They're in our diet sodas, chewing gum, and even some yogurts. But what are they exactly? In simple terms, they are man-made substitutes for sugar. They provide that sweet taste without all the calories of sugar. This makes them very tempting, especially if you're watching your weight or have concerns about blood sugar. People choose artificial sweeteners for various reasons. Some use them for weight management, hoping to satisfy their sweet tooth without consuming extra calories. Others turn to them due to health conditions like diabetes, where sugar intake needs careful monitoring. Artificial sweeteners offer a way to enjoy sweet flavors while managing calorie and sugar intake. However, it's important to remember that these seemingly innocent sugar swaps are not without their own complexities. While they might seem like a quick fix, there's a growing body of research that suggests artificial sweeteners can have a complex and potentially significant impact on our health, particularly when it comes to aging and our brains. So how do these sugar stand-ins actually work? Artificial sweeteners are designed to interact with our taste receptors in the same way sugar does, triggering that familiar sweet sensation. However, unlike sugar, they are not fully absorbed and metabolized by the body. This means they provide little to no calories and have a negligible effect on blood sugar levels, making them appealing for those managing weight or blood sugar. But here's where things get interesting. While they might not impact blood sugar directly, emerging research suggests that artificial sweeteners might influence our metabolism and hormonal responses in ways we're only beginning to understand. Some studies suggest that these sweeteners could potentially interfere with our gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in digestion and overall health. This disruption of the gut microbiome is a particularly hot topic in the scientific community right now, as it's believed to be linked to a whole host of health issues, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even potentially affecting how we age. The million-dollar question is, do artificial sweeteners affect the aging process itself? The truth is, the science is still inconclusive. Some studies on animals have shown a potential link between artificial sweeteners and a longer lifespan. However, it's crucial to remember that animal studies don't always directly translate to humans. On the other hand, some studies have raised concerns about potential negative effects. Certain sweeteners have been linked to inflammation, which is a key driver of aging and age-related diseases. Additionally, there's ongoing research into whether artificial sweeteners might accelerate cellular aging, potentially contributing to a faster decline in organ function. It's important to highlight that more research, especially large-scale, long-term studies on humans, is needed to fully understand the complex relationship between artificial sweeteners and aging. Section 4. Brain under the influence, unraveling the neurological impacts. Our brains are incredibly complex organs, and it's no surprise that artificial sweeteners might have an impact on their function. Some studies have shown that these sugar substitutes can influence brain activity, particularly in areas related to taste, reward, and appetite regulation. There's also emerging research looking at the potential link between artificial sweeteners and cognitive function, including memory and learning. Some studies have suggested a possible association between certain artificial sweeteners and an increased risk of cognitive decline and conditions like dementia. However, it's crucial to note that these studies are often observational, meaning they can't prove cause and effect. More research is needed to fully understand whether artificial sweeteners directly contribute to cognitive decline or if other factors are at play. It's a fascinating area of research with potentially significant implications for brain health as we age. Section 5. Sweeteners and you making informed choices for your health. So, where does this leave us? Artificial sweeteners are undoubtedly a controversial topic. While they might seem like a harmless way to satisfy our sweet cravings, the science is showing us that their impact on our health, particularly when it comes to aging and our brains, is far more complex than we initially thought. My advice: moderation is key. If you're concerned about the potential long-term effects of artificial sweeteners, it's always a good idea to reduce your intake. Opt for naturally sweet foods like fruits when you can. Remember, a balanced diet and lifestyle are crucial for healthy aging, and that includes being mindful of the sweeteners we consume. Ultimately, the best way to stay informed is to stay curious. Keep an eye on the latest research and discuss any concerns you might have with your doctor. They can help you make the best choices for your individual needs and health goals.